Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Harun Najmi, student at UBT University, Master of Engineering Management. Uh, Today we are going to represent about how to scheduling critical path of any project with a class of project management with Dr. Muhammad Al-Garni. We have here example, have multiple tasks. Each task is depends on some tasks is before. So we can see here A is independent with any task. There is no dependency to start before any tasks. B is as well don't need any task to be started. We can start immediately. You can see here explain of immediate process. C is depend on A. So these two phases we are going here to explain. First of all, start. So immediately we can start with A and B. But C, we can see here, is required to A to start. So we have start, then A, B. Or we can start draw the network without type even the start. Then we have C. C is depend on A, so C cannot start before A. And we have D, which depend with A and B. So D, we cannot start D until unless A is finished and B is finished. E is depend on D. Then F is depend on C and E. F is requiring C and E to start. G is dependent on A. G is requiring A to finish to be started. Then end of the project. Now we will calculate the time for early start, early finished. So A is requiring 7 weeks and B is requiring 9 weeks. Here, so early start for A, we can start immediately. So A for early start is 7 and requiring process for 7 weeks. So 0 plus 7 is 7. And here B 0 plus 9 is 9. For C is requiring for 12 weeks. So for C is can start early start is 7 after finished of C of A. So 12 plus 7 is 19. Here in D have two paths. One is A, one is B. And depending on A and B, so E will start after the higher depend tasks. So it will start after 9 weeks because B is depending on B also, and B it will start after 9 weeks. And we required 8 weeks for D. So this 8 weeks, 8 plus 9 equal to 17. And we will follow the others with the same. E is requiring 9 weeks and is depend on uh, D. So 9 plus D will finish after 17 weeks. So it will start after 17 and it will finish 9 plus 17, 26. G is requiring E to start, so we'll start immediately after E. So early start is 29 and G is requiring 5 weeks processing. 5 plus 26 is 31. Here in F, F is depending on C and E. It has two paths, so it will start after the highest one is 26. So F, it will start 26 after finishing of E, and it's requiring 6 weeks process. 26 plus 6, 23. So the finished is for this project is requiring 23 weeks. So we will go back 23 weeks. So the time of late finish, we have maximum time is 23 for we have 23 weeks to finish for this project. So late finishing is 32 for G and 32 for F. Then 32 minus 6 is 26. 32 minus 5 is 27. Here in E, we have two paths. One is G and one is E. We will select here the lowest one, so we can early finish for 26. Minus 9 is 17. The same we have here for C. C is requiring the late finish is 26 minus 12, 14. D is requiring will early finish will late finish, sorry, in 17, because E is late start is 17. So we'll finish here with 17 minus 8, it will equal 9. And B will early finish with 9, and A is having two paths. We will select the lowest one is 9 of D, so we'll let finish at 9. Minus 7 is equal to 2. Now we have to calculate the slack. How will we calculate the slack here? Slack is equally early start minus late start, or early finish minus uh, late finish. So early start minus, let us change the color here. So early start minus late start is equal to 2, or the same here, early finish minus late finish is equal to 2 as well. The same we will follow for all to find out the slack. After finish this phase, we can see there is sum of tasks, the slack is equally 0. So from here, B, then D, slack as well is 0, then E and F. So we can say here our critical path is equal B, D, E, F. Thank you very much.